Good morning from the Gobi Desert. On a frozen ice lake. It's about minus 20 degrees. Sun is rising. And as the rays of sun heat up the surface of this unexpected froze lake, they cause all this movement in the ice that contracts and expands. And this sounds beautiful. You can hear it all around me. I'm surrounded by this beautiful dawn chorus of the ice lake. This is explained by the fact that weather has become a bit extreme, and deserts around the world are suffering as well. It's not just the climate getting hotter, it's also becoming more unpredictable. So where you'd have maybe a little bit of rain every year in the Gobi, this year there has been excessive flooding, like extreme rainfall, and all the water collected in these pools at the base of the sand dunes. And then when winter came, it froze. This one is quite deep. I can't tell how deep it is. In places it looks deeper than a meter. And there's maybe 10 centimeters, 15 centimeters of ice. Seems to be enough to support my 90 kilos. But yeah, the most interesting thing, even though it's a bit tragic about the whole climate breakdown, is that it sounds good. So I can document it at the very least. Enjoy. At least maybe my kit will survive. So my predicament now is taking the hydrophones onto the ice. That is going to be a challenge.